Hello and welcome to Simon's Trading Channel. My name's Simon. This is my daily Bitcoin price action analysis. Right, I'm going to get straight into it. Happy Saturday to you. It's the weekend. CME closed yesterday, as per yesterday's video, in a bullish but range-based manner. So that's 4 weeks. Is there another 4? Who knows? But if my prediction does come true from 3 weeks ago, I will be extremely surprised. So surprised indeed, I can't even say the word extremely. Anyway, there we go. Before I dive straight into the price action, just want to remind you it's not financial advice. Right, go. Speaking very quickly. Don't know why I'm speaking so quickly. So this is the 4 hour, and this here was the mini little range that I talked about more in the 15-minute time frame. But as you can see, sort of dwindling volatility over the weekend, which isn't unusual, and Bitcoin is basically above the midpoint of this range, which doesn't mean a great deal, but what it does mean is that this sort of ongoing buying pressure is just about winning out over the selling pressure. Ultimately, the uptrend is likely to continue. And, that's very well established on the higher time frames. It just needs to be, this consolidation period needs to play out on lower time frames and then let Bitcoin do its thing. Whether or not that comes in around the time of the halving, I don't know. No one knows because no one knows the future. But at the moment, it's still well within this range, basically going sideways and up, but more sideways than up. If we check in on the 4-hour MACD, it has indeed closed above the zero line, so that's with Simon's weird zero line rule. That means that upside is more likely. However, it is hovering around the zero line, but it looks like it will close back down below around about 67,000. So it's $1,000 above there for now, and this is just above where CME closed yesterday at 67,750, so there or thereabouts on Bybit. Now, if I do come down to the lower time frames, because that's where the price action is, and when I say that's where the price action is, even the 15-minute is basically going horizontally. So yeah, these times of low volatility are useful in a way because they inevitably precede times of higher volatility, and that generally is manifested by a range break from the price action. So as you can see here, the 15-minute is securely within a range that goes from 67,250 up to 68,6 basically. And at some point that will resolve either to the upside or to the downside. And if I was to have a bias at the moment, I would think to the upside. And the reason I say that is that you can see the uptrend as a sequence of higher lows demonstrated here with this. The resistance is coming in at sort of 69.3, but you can see for yourself there that more recent time, it's been basically sideways within that range that I just told you about. So you can draw a little uptrending line here that takes in that sequence of higher lows, and so have another one of those triangles that can resolve either way, up or down. But I think if I had a bias at the moment, it would be in line with the overall price action, which is to the upside. But those are areas of interest on the very lower time frames, whereas on the 4 hour, which tends to encapsulate the more overall time frame moves, also still remaining in an uptrend, but wedging itself in or flagging itself out. Right, well, I'm coming up for 5 minutes. This is going to be a quick video today, and so I'll just leave you with that food for thought. I hope you have a great Saturday. If you've enjoyed the video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Great t-shirt. And if you haven't enjoyed it, then don't do that and don't come back tomorrow because I'll be doing it all again. Take care. Enjoy the rest of your Saturday. Bye-bye.